Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by UNice Hair. They sent me this bomb water wave wig and I will be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this exact look, y'all. It is a frontal and I did bleach the notch, y'all. It is a easy beginner friendly install. So let's get right into this video. I hope that y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy making and collabing with UNice. So guys, this is the final look. Everything will be in the description box for this company, literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you are interested in shopping with UNice. Let them know that I did send you, y'all. This hair is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. I also be giving y'all a back view, y'all, and I didn't do anything but put water in this hair, y'all. As I mentioned before, everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.